FBLA is the largest business organization in the world. FBLA preps 230,000 students for careers in business every year. FBLA members can develop competitive skills, connect with the business world, and gain scholarship opportunities throughout their high school career.
I knew I wanted to go into business, but I didn't know how until I got to college. FBLA gives high school kids the opportunity to kind of dabble in a lot of different business topics in high school, so they have a better idea what their passions are when they are closer to that college level.
I think one of the greatest takeaways for being an advisor for FBLA is watching kids develop and grow in their confidence. They might start out as kind of more insecure. As a freshman, I've watched some students grow to their junior or senior year, taking on leadership roles both locally at the state level and even nationally. It's also neat to see them grow as they compete at regionals and state levels, and then even making it to nationals, and just their self-confidence growing and their knowledge and networking with other business professionals.
FBLA offers their members a variety of opportunities, including business conferences, competitions, and other business-related events. On the competitive side, FBLA has over 70 competitive events members can choose from.
I think FBLA opens up so many doors of opportunities. Kids can learn more about different business aspects. Kids have lots of different opportunities to get involved in the community. Kids are given the opportunity to take on different leadership roles, whether it's within the own organization or in the community or within the school. I would say the biggest takeaway is lots and lots of opportunities. I also think that it's important for people to know that FBLA is not just for people pursuing degrees in business or planning to. It's for anyone who really wants to build up their leadership aspects and to find another way to give back to their community.
Adopt a School is just one way FBLA gives back to the community. It's an annual event where FBLA and other students donate to a school in need during the holidays.
For the 11th year in a row, students from Oconomowoc High School have been donating their time, energy, all to Adopt a School. This time, George Washington Carver Academy in Brewers Hill in Milwaukee, to help bring smiles to students' faces with gifts, toys, and books perfect for the holiday season.
Being an officer in FBLA has really taught me that you got to step up to the plate. You've got to work hard and do your part. You can't slack off. You got to work with everyone around you. And it's tough, but it's definitely rewarding. I know from FBLA personally, I've definitely benefited by gaining more confidence, and I've gained the ability to talk in front of people. I normally was terrified to do any public speaking, but now I can get in front of people and talk and compete in public speaking events. People should join FBLA because it's definitely rewarding, and it's not just business focused, it's focused about community service and doing different projects and bringing attention to other subjects. It's very important, and it's just a great way to meet new people.
Inclusive, constructive,
empowering,
Rewarding,
teamwork,
determination.